Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the list. This is one of the data type in Python. So I will explain the most important used operations. Okay, frequently used methods and the software. So here I'm taking just a minute. Minute. Here I am taking the my list equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and my list that append of for example if you want to append a value to this list, so we use this append method and this will append to the after 3 it will display, it will add one 4 value to that list. I'm executing this list, so it will the 4 value will come after 3 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. uh, like that way the append function uh, will work. This is the output. And then for example if the uh, 4 comma 5 is in the list, we have to append after 3, like a previously we executed appended. So based on that, we have without the list we have to append 4 comma 5. So you extend function is useful like that way. Like for example if we use append here in place of extend, so what it will perform is like 4 comma 5 in the list, it will here it will 4 comma 5 in the list, it will get as a output. So now we will execute that. So see, now it is execute, output is came as like 4 comma 5 in the list. If we don't want that, we want without the list, we have to use the extend method. Now the output is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. The 4 comma 5 is in the without list. Insert, for example, uh, we want to insert uh, 1 comma 2. That means in the first position we want to insert 2, so we have to use like this. Say, see now the output will get as a 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, like that it will get. For example if we want to insert uh, in place of 3, let's see, in place of insert, we have to insert 2, 0 1 2 in index, at index 2 we want to insert 2, so it is inserted 2 value. This is the index number which uh, in which index number we want to insert, so it will insert. For example after this is the 0 zeroth index, this is the first index, second index, third index. Now after fourth index, we want to insert some 6 value, so it will execute 1 1 3 2 see 3 1 3 4 6, it is inserted. Here 5, there is no index, right? So it is not taken. Now we want to index 2, it is in 0, this is the 0 and sorry, this is the 0 and 1 and 2, okay, and 3 impress. Now it will execute 1 3 4 6. This is a like a insert method will execute. And pop, if you want to remove the value we will use the pop here. See, we the index, we want to remove the one first index, so it is removed. That's two value. The output is came as 1 comma 3. So I use this one, remove. If we want to remove the two value, it is by using the remove method, it will remove the last two value, like last index value, it will remove. Sorry, first index value, first index of two value, it will remove. That means remove the first occurrence of the specific value, it will remove. And here index. Index, suppose if you want to know the occurrence of the specific value, we can by using the index method, we can find out that value. If we want to insert, if we want to know the index of 20, by using the index, we can know. My This is the my list, and the my list dot index of 20. 20 index of 20. Wait, index, yeah, index I'm printing. Index is 0 1. The it is index is 1 0 1. 20 index is 1. And if we want to count the number, suppose if we want to uh, occurrence of 2, how much like how many values are there in the list? 2, how many values? And 3 is there, how many times? 2 is there, how many times? If we want to know, by using the count, we can able to find out count of s- count of 2 is how many times it is occurred. 1 2 3, it is occurred 3 times. For example, if we want to know the count of 3, how many times it is occurred? One time. Like this, by using the count method, we can uh, able to fetch. And sort is it will assign the list will assign as a in ascending order. Okay, sort the list in ascending order. Now it is 3 comma 1 comma 2, right? It will assign as assign as a 1 2 3. Okay, by using the sort method, we can use that. We can in ascending order, we get the output. Now if we want to uh, order in the reverse, so by using the reverse method, we can able to reverse that list. Now 1 comma 2 comma 3 will reverse as 3 2 1. See, the output is 3 2 1 this way. And here create a deep copy of the list. For example, this is the original list, and here we are doing the original list dot copy and the new list. So what it will print is that 1 comma 2 comma 3. Whenever we do the copy, it will one of the list copy is assigned to the new variable, and it will print that. How it is useful. And see, whenever we do this deep copy, if whenever we change the values in the original list, it will not change in the new list. So here uh, here we are doing the in the original list, in place of 1, index of 1, we are changing the value to 4. But in the original list we are changing. In the new list it will not change, and we print how it is. See, in the original, this is the original list. It is not changed because we are deep copied here in the new list. Whenever we do the shallow copy, whenever we change in the original list, it will change in the new list also. And that is also I will show you. Here it is in the original list. In the only original list, it is reflected here. It is not reflected in the new list. Whenever we do here, now here we are assigning, just we are assigning the variable into the original list to the new list. Whenever now we see, now whenever in the original list we are changing the value to first value index of 1 to 4, it will change in the both the list, in the original list as well as in the new list, because here just we are changed we are assigned to the just we are appended to the assigned to the variable. And next, clear. uh, if we don't want the values in the list, by using just clear we can remove the all the values in the list, so it is printed as empty list. So we are the all the values, it is removed. Slicing is very important topic. You have to learn, like just I am explaining this simple thing. See, my list here we are taking now 1 2 3 4 5. Here my list of 1 is to 4. 1 colon 4 means 2. Here this is the 0 index. This is the 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. So the values will come here 1 2 3. 1 2 3 means 2 3 4. These four value 2 3 2 comma 3 comma 4 values will get. See, subset we have to print here 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is the very important slicing. Suppose if you want to reverse, yeah, my list 1 2 3 4 5. If we want to get the value of 5, how will you fetch my list, my underscore list of -1? It will get the last value like that. The from 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 starting it will the index is 0. Starting value is 0 at index. It will 0 1 2 3 4, and it will continues, and the last value is -1, -2, and from the backwards it is negative values, starting with the negative value, and it will continues -1 -2 -3 -4, and similar way it will come to print. This is the listing important topics. Mhm. Thank you for watching.